Hey everyone, welcome to the session from Data to Disclosure ESG Made Easy with Microsoft Sustainability Manager. My name is Sai Raghuveer Koduri and I'm a Senior Product Manager from Sustainability Manager Product Group. And I have with me my colleague Nicole Vladinska, Technical Program Manager. Together we are going to share an overview about our product Microsoft Sustainability Manager and how it's going to help organizations record, report and reduce ESG footprint. Without any delay, let's get started. Microsoft Sustainability Manager empowers organizations to turn data insights into action, reducing environmental impact and strengthening social and governance compliance, all the way from unifying siloed data, running emissions calculations, social and governance aggregations, generating compliance reports, and delivering insights to guide reduction strategies. Our product can help accelerate every stage of customer sustainability journey by helping them record their sustainability footprint, report on progress internally and externally, reduce their emissions with insights that can help them fundamentally improve the processes and business operations. This is a software as a solution, and it was built on the goodness of Power Platform, making it very extensible for our customers and partners to customize or deliver native solutions that can directly extend the core capabilities of the product. Recently, Microsoft Sustainability Manager has also joined the powerful and expansive set of products in Dynamics 365 catalog, creating the ultimate better together story as part of a broader agentic ERP stack. This integration highlights how ERP solutions can drive sustainability by embedding environmental data and insights directly into core business processes, enabling organizations to make more responsible and informed decisions at scale. Now let's take a look at the distinguished set of features that we support in the product to capture data, analyze data, and turn insights into action. Starting with record. Organizations can bring in their environmental, social, and governance data from disparate source systems or collect the data both from internal data providers or external value chain of partners. And we offer different ingestion and data collection strategies to support them in this process. Let's take a look at data ingestion imports. This provides a more intuitive, simplified, and guided user interface to import data. And there are multiple import options, as you can see on the screen, available based on user maturity, data source type, and integration needs. With sustainability data model at the forefront, data can be standardized into a common data model, breaking all the silos and minimizing user errors. And throughout the flow, users are supported with built-in education, review checkpoints, and validation steps to improve data quality, accuracy, and completeness. Now let's take a look at each import option. Starting with Excel template import. This option offers a quick and easy way to get started with data ingestion. Each data category across all the scopes and categories has its own template with tabs for different entities, including clear guidance and examples. With the pre-built Excel templates, you can ensure that the data comes naturally in a standardized format. Simply download the template, fill in your data, and upload it. This makes Excel template the simplest way to get the data into the system. Whereas Power Query import is the most flexible and comprehensive option that we have. With the support for dozens of Power Query connectors, data can be pulled from a wide range of sources, all within a single ingestion flow. And with powerful data transformation capabilities, users are allowed to shape and map data to fit the sustainability data model. And throughout the process, built-in guidance, education, and validation steps help ensure high quality, accurate, and complete data. To make it more easier for the users, you can also build Power Query templates to store the configurations for future connections and to ensure consistency and reduce setup time. Once templates are in place, connections to the data sources can be easily established and managed. And you can also set up your imports to run automatically on a timeline, enabling timely and reliable data ingestion without manual intervention. Lastly, under data ingestion, we also have pre-built partner connectors to external data providers like Ecolab, EcoVadis, so on and so forth. And we also offer partner connector framework so that you can build your own connector to any of the external data providers and bring in the data into Sustainability Manager. So far, we have looked at various options within data ingestion. However, ESG is such a broad landscape, and often data might not come from a structured source system that we could easily connect to using the ingestion options. And organizations tend to manually collect some of this data by reaching out to internal data providers like the facility managers, HR managers, business executives, etc. We have data collection feature to help streamline this process, allowing organizations to send data requests to a variety of data owners, requesting them to submit ESG information for the organization to track the sustainability progress and to be ready for their compliance reporting purposes. With data collection, sustainability practitioners can create a data collection request by specifying the data owners, type of the data required, and the due date. The data owners on the other end receives these requests in an email. They can respond and submit the required data in their tailored user interface. This way, the data collection feature puts a structure in place, allowing organizations to effectively collect manual data from internal data providers. On the flip side, we have Value Chain Portal to help organizations gather data from external data providers, like the value chain partners. This portal is a Power Pages portal that will help you initiate invitations and surveys for your suppliers and view the data that you receive from them directly in the portal. All this data that you capture from your suppliers will attribute to the overall Scope 3 emissions. Now that we have seen various ways to get the data into the platform, let's take a look at how we can leverage that data to calculate emissions. Now I'll hand it over to Nicole to walk us through that process.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Sai. I'll go ahead and transfer the screen over. So hi, folks. Thank you for the warm welcome. Again, my name is Nicole Wodinska. I'm a technical program manager here on the team. And now we're going to talk about transforming the data, as Sai has mentioned. Moving us forward, let's first begin by talking about calculation models, which is where everything begins. Using MSM's data model schemas combined with PowerFX expressions, calculation models allow us to transform something as simple as the miles that you've traveled or the fuel that you've consumed into its CO2e equivalent. As of August 2025, MSM offers a wide range of calculations across environmental, social, and governance metrics, including carbon, water, waste, product carbon footprint, and, of course, social and governance metrics. Each area is introduced with sample calculation models that can be reused as is or customized. This enables organizations to tailor calculations to their specific operational contexts, ensuring accuracy and compliance with evolving sustainability standards. Before we move on, let's take a slightly deeper look at carbon. Perhaps the most crucial parts of calculating carbon emissions are emission and estimation factors. Emission factors provide the specific values needed to quantify emissions for various gases, while estimation factors help translate indirect or proxy data, such as square footage or hotel night stays, into meaningful activity data that can be paired with emission factors. MSM currently supports several established libraries such as the EPA, IEA, and NGA, ensuring reliable and standardized data resources. Additionally, MSM allows customers to incorporate their own customized factor libraries tailored to regional or company-specific needs, enhancing accuracy and relevance in emissions reporting and management. Once we've calculated our data, it's time to analyze the resulting ESG impact across our organization. Analytics dashboards in Microsoft Sustainability Manager provide centralized visibility across key ESG metrics such as emissions, water, and waste by consolidating data into a unified view that supports tracking, benchmarking, and operational insights. These dashboards come with both built-in and customizable options. Out-of-the-box dashboards provide immediate access to critical sustainability data, while Power BI integration allows teams to tailor visualizations to their specific goals. This dual approach empowers organizations to make faster, more data-driven decisions and reduces the need for custom analytics development. The next analytics tool practitioners can take advantage of is Intelligent Insights. Intelligent Insights is an AI-powered feature that enables organizations to perform deep analysis on their emissions data by automatically detecting outliers, trends, and correlations. These insights help identify anomalies such as sudden spikes or drops, consistent directional changes, and meaningful relationships between organizational units or facilities. By surfacing these patterns, MSM empowers sustainability teams to uncover data quality issues, optimize operations, and make more informed, proactive decisions. The insights are presented in a centralized interactive interface, filtering, sorting, and bookmarking capabilities, allowing users to focus on the most relevant findings and accelerate their sustainability strategies. Once we've analyzed our data, it's time to build those strategies around our sustainability goals. Scorecards and Goals within MSM provides a structured framework for organizations to define, track, and manage their sustainability initiatives. Scorecards serve as centralized dashboards that align sustainability metrics, such as emissions, water usage, or waste intensity, with key business goals. Each scorecard can host multiple goals, which are defined by their baseline, current, and target values, and can be tailored to specific regions, organizational units, or facilities. These goals can be updated manually or automatically using connected data sources, and their status is dynamically reflected based on predefined goals. This system not only enhances transparency and accountability, but also supports compliance reporting, which we'll get into shortly, and strategic decision-making by offering a clear view of progress towards sustainability commitments. However, true progress, as we know, must be derived from data-driven, AI-powered forecasts. That's where what-if analysis comes into play. What-if analysis is an AI-powered forecasting tool that enables organizations to simulate the environmental impact of potential business practice changes. Tailored to the carbon data model in MSM, it allows users to create customizable scenarios across Scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions, such as switching from fossil fuels to renewables or changing suppliers, and visualize the projected outcomes in terms of their carbon reduction. Users are able to layer up to 3 strategies within a single scenario, comparing multiple forecasts using the same historical data in order to find the optimal path forward. This empowers sustainability teams to make data-driven decisions, optimize for their reduction strategies, and again, accelerate progress towards their net zero targets. I'll now hand it back off to Sai, who will take us through the reporting part of our solution.
Thanks, Nicole. As we all know, sustainability reporting is very complex given there are several voluntary and regulatory reporting standards and frameworks which do not follow a common standard. Microsoft Sustainability Manager simplifies this process by introducing a new module called External Reporting, which is basically a collaborative end-to-end experience to deal with ESG reporting process. We offer a standard set of out-of-the-box standards and frameworks like CSRD, GRI, BRSR, ASRS, so on and so forth, where sustainability practitioners can review these standard requirements one by one and start responding to the requirements. We also have a materiality flag that will help organizations to narrow down the requirements to the requirements that are material to the organization. Sustainability practitioners can also collaborate with various internal stakeholders as they start to respond to these requirements using the tasks functionality. And they can also take these responses through an approval workflow to ensure the data accuracy. Once the responses are brought together, they can export all these responses into various export options like HTML, Word, Excel, so on and so forth. This way, organizations can streamline their regulatory reporting process using external reporting module within Sustainability Manager. Now I'll hand it back to Nicole to walk us through some of the cool Copilot functionalities that we have within the product.
Perfect. Thank you, Sai. All right, let's briefly go over Copilot in MSM. So Copilot in MSM is designed to streamline sustainability workflows by enabling users to interact with their data and their tools using natural language. It supports a range of capabilities, including querying ESG documents, generating quantitative reports, and building calculation models simply by describing them. Copilot can also help users and extract facts from uploaded documents to meet disclosure requirements, identify data gaps, and accelerate reporting accuracy. This offering is also integrated with Copilot Studio, allowing organizations to extend its functionality with custom agents for tasks like goal setting or regulatory compliance. And with that, we are now at the end of our presentation today. Thank you so much for spending time with us, and please visit either of these links for more information on Microsoft Sustainability Manager.